Crypto family, welcome back to the channel. Aaron here, coming back at you with another cryptocurrency video today. We're going to be checking out this cryptocurrency market, looking at some on-chain data, some recent news, some big things for Bitcoin. Stay tuned for all of it. Checking out the current state of the market, Bitcoin dominance is up to around 41%. Bitcoin is currently sitting at around 21,188. We have Ethereum at around 1,500, BNB's at around 290. XRP's around 40 cents. You have Cardano up around 34 cents here today. Dogecoin's at around 8.1 cents, and Polygon Matic is at 96 cents. So that's the top 10 cryptos for you. We're going to be getting into some recent Bitcoin and crypto news. And thank you guys for coming back to our channel, watching us. We really appreciate all of our viewers. If you find any value in these videos, make sure to hit that like button. Any comments, leave them down below. And this next clip is one of the most bullish clips we've seen all year since the year started for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. I want to go ahead and play it for you guys.
Bitcoin, whether it be Ethereum, whether it be Solana, anything crypto, I think. Sell. Tell me here. I can't stop.
So Jim Cramer is suggesting that you sell your Bitcoin and your cryptocurrency. This guy has been one of the worst traders in finance news media over the past decade. He's been absolutely terrible. I have no idea how this guy still has a job with CNBC, because he's just been that awful. And he's telling you to sell, so you have to do the opposite of what he's telling you to do because it's just that bad. So that's definitely a bullish sign that he is bearish on cryptos. And then check this stat out. Check some of these countries out here. Africa leads the world in Google searches for how to mine Bitcoin. So in my opinion, this just shows more international adoption of Bitcoin and crypto. And one thing that's interesting here, we were talking with some people over in Nigeria a couple of months ago. They're in the crypto space, and they say that they're starting to see a trend change here in Africa for people thinking that crypto and Bitcoins are a scam. And now the everyday person over there is starting to understand the everyday use case of Bitcoin and the rest of these cryptos, and they don't view it as a scam anymore like how they used to. And I think we have been seeing that same trend here in the United States. So this is kind of like global international education for Bitcoin and crypto. Definitely good to see, and it's really cool to see people around the world trying to mine Bitcoin. That's definitely going to lead the hash rate to continue to go up and hit new all-time highs. And then speaking of Bitcoin mining, this is Dennis Porter. He says, in September, I went to New Hampshire to present on the benefits of Bitcoin mining to their new crypto commission. Today, that commission has released its reports, and basically their findings have been mining can be good for the grid, mining can be good for renewables, and mining is a flexible load. Along with this, Dennis Porter just had a meeting with the Mississippi Senate, and they had a hearing, and they talked about the benefits of Bitcoin mining for the environment. It went the entire 30 minutes because the senators were very interested in how Bitcoin can be mined and how it's actually good for the environment. So shout out to Dennis Porter. He's been doing a lot of education when it comes to the Bitcoin mining space and how Bitcoin actually incentivizes renewable energy. So we're starting to see a change here. Just last year, we saw Elon Musk talking about how bad Bitcoin energy consumption was. But now that tune is also starting to change. People are seeing the benefits of Bitcoin mining and how it can be good for the world, how it can help balance the grid, and how it actually incentivizes renewable energy. So this is definitely good to see. And like I was saying earlier, we're starting to see that trend change here for Bitcoin. Not just with the everyday person, but with the regulators as well. They're starting to view Bitcoin as more of a safe asset and something that they want to regulate and promote for people to buy and hold. And this was very interesting, a good call out here from Ben Armstrong. We did see Genesis file Chapter 11 bankruptcy. So we're expecting to have some type of blow up from this, but nothing really happened to the Bitcoin price, as BitBoy Crypto points out right here. So that's definitely good to see. There's been a lot of Genesis DCG FUD, people talking about the BTC Grayscale ETF will have to be liquidated. And it doesn't seem like the market really cares about any of that. And it may already be priced in like BitBoy does study here. So definitely not good to see another crypto company go under, but it doesn't really seem to be affecting the Bitcoin price that much. And then a stat we like to look at here, this is the Bitcoin balance on exchanges. It continues to hit new lows, a previous 4-year low of around 2.2 million BTC on exchanges. I think we'll continue to see this stat move down for years to come as people continue to hold their Bitcoin. We have the hodlers continuing to buy more and more BTC, putting in their wallets, so the exchanges will never be able to get them again. And also with the halvings that are coming up, and the miners won't be able to get as much BTC as they've been able to in the past. So the exchanges will definitely bleed out of Bitcoin as time goes on. And then just checking out the Bitcoin price, currently sitting at around 21,000. We have a potential cup and handle pattern playing out here. If we start to see this trend down a bit, you can look at the cup and handle. The handle normally does go down here a bit before blasting off to new highs. So we could potentially see this play out if we see Bitcoin's price start to go down a bit, have a blast off, and then the measured move on this would be around, depending on where you take that measurement from, would be around a $26,700 BTC. So that could be a major move to the upside very quickly if we do break out of this and we see that cup and handle pattern start to play out there. So something to be paying attention to there in the charts. So that's really all I had here in today's video. Just want to get you guys brought back up to speed. Something big is coming for Bitcoin. It's just going to take a while. The Bitcoin bros believe Bitcoin will be one of the best performing assets over the next 10 years. We're continuing to see more positive things coming out for Bitcoin here outside of everything that happened back in 2022 with all the exchanges going under. We had the war in Ukraine. We also had rampant inflation that's starting to come down now. We seem to be getting over that now. We're starting to see prices go up here a bit. So there are still some people that believe Bitcoin is going down to $10,000. The Bitcoin bros believe the bottom is already in, and we do think that the next decade will be great if you're hodling Bitcoin and some of these other cryptos. So let me know what you guys thought about today's video. Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Thank you for watching all the way to the end. Hit that like button if you found any value. My name is Aaron from the Bitcoin Bros. I'm out. I'll see you guys in the next one, and have a great rest of your day.